All right, let's look at how to use this YouTube comments miner. It will run through all the comments. Unfortunately, not the replies within the comments at this time, so it's just the first level comments. But it will run through those and download them as a tab separated value. So if you're not familiar with tab separated value, I'll put a link in the video as to how to open a TSV file in Excel, and we'll go through how to open it in Google Sheets. So let's get started. Here is the script. I do not have it packaged up as a bookmarklet because basically I don't want to debug my code right now. Anyway, so here is the video we are going to mine comments on. It looks like there are around 600 or so. You will want to refresh the page just as a matter of course. You probably won't need to in most instances, but if you're clicking around, you'll need to refresh the page to get it to load some data that we're pulling from the website. Just paste that into the console. If you don't know how to get to the console, you just press F12 if you're on a PC, or Command Option I, or you can just, if you're on a Mac, or you can just right click, inspect, and then go to the console tab. And here you will just paste in the code and press enter, and you're off. It is running. So it looks like this is going to take about 20 seconds to run, more or less. And it has completed. And so let's open up this TSV. We'll go to Google Sheets. We will click import. We will then upload. We will drag and drop it in here. And once it uploads, we will then say replace sheet, or insert new sheet is probably what you want to do in most circumstances so you don't overwrite your data. And then select tab as the separator. Okay. Then click import data. And here we go. We have our output. So we're going to freeze that so it's a little bit easier to view. There we go. And you have the text of the comment, the channel of the person who made the comment, the video in which it was commented on. The name of the file itself should be the title of the video. The author name is here. The author image, if you're wanting to run some sort of facial recognition software on this, you can do so here. And this is the comment time. I might, if there's interest, convert this into a timestamp. I do have some scripts somewhere that kind of interpret this kind of language and will give me back a timestamp, rough timestamp, so we could get the date that the comment happened rather than just a year ago, which is, depending on when you pull this, what does that mean? So that's kind of next steps, as well as going through and getting the replies within the video or within the comments. Yeah, if there's interest, I'm thinking about actually creating a full kind of JavaScript tutorial on this process. I thought it could be a pretty handy way for people to learn the basics of JavaScript. We can dive into some of the more complex things as well. So if there's interest in seeing a full tutorial of how to build this script, as well as, kind of make some updates, drop a comment. You could also just like the video, and if you really appreciate the work I do, you could go to my Patreon page and become a member.